Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Certain talents are used for certain scenes in experimental horror films, just like anything else. In our horror films, there are going to be some partially nude and nude scenes that are going to be pertaining to the horror and to the violence at hand. Knowing where in the script to place those certain talents is of a key factor. So far, fortunately for us, we have all the talents essentially that we need for those cast parts. And many others have been asking and inquiring to do so. The technical aspects of each scene of the violence is what we're working on currently, essentially myself and Abel, who's assisting me in this sort of a thing, and we had to get these elements worked out. They have to be done properly, smoothly, and to make sure each scene works out to perfection as much as possible. It can be time consuming. So essentially right now that's what we're concentrating on and working on, is those scenes, getting them worked out technically. Instead of using blood, we're using water, and that cuts down a lot of time on it, on these certain scenes in particular. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel, the Morbid Team Entertainment Barter, Buy and Sell group, and put a like on our page. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.